2:24. Yeah, so yeah, yeah. So they pull the alarm at 2:22 in the morning.
Yeah.
So that number is significant.
Yeah, it is.
I was just thinking about the fire alarms. I'm like, they're gonna pull the alarm any minute. And of course, they were in the hallway, laughing and yelling and talking gibberish on our floor. So when they're up and they're partying, they are. You just know they're gonna pull the alarm. And I was just about to go to bed, and they know I'm just about to go to bed because they invade our privacy. Oh well, now my bedtime is gonna be delayed anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour while this crap goes on. Oh yeah, I forgot to give the date. It was the 13th, the 14th, Sunday, November 13th, 2:22 p.m. or a.m. was when the alarm was pulled. I mean, this cancels out any arrears that notices that TCHC will illegally claims that we owe, by lying and discriminating. I mean, they're in violation of the Residential Tenancies Act. They're in violation of the AODA, Access to Ontarians with Disabilities Act. They're in violation of the Ontario Human Rights Codes. And they're in violation of I believe it's called the Fair Housing Act or Housing Services Act. And they're in violation of many of their own policies. But when you're a target of state-sanctioned harassment, then the rules don't apply. Being a second-class citizen would be an upgrade from what we are now. We're third-class citizens. We have absolutely no rights. We can't even get somebody to advocate for us because nobody has a spine.